happy? Put the shoulders in. Okay, so we're going to start with the top towel goes up to the ribs and the bottom towel tucks into the pant line. I'm going to lubricate the stomach with nice effleurage movements. Don't need too much oil for the tummy. Trolley's on wheels, you can wheel it closer.
Choose to keep walking around.
And after you've lubricated, you want a nice reinforced hand over hand effleurage, circular effleurage, moulding your hands to the contours of the body. So clockwise. The next time you go over to the far side, I want you to put your palm inside the hip, mould your fingers around the bone, and we're going to think palm and apply pressure going up to the ribs and back on the fingertips. Up to the ribs, back on the fingertips. So this is coming up the ascending colon. This time when we come up, we're going to come across now, the transverse colon, under the ribs, back on the fingertips. So think palm as you come across towards you, back on the fingertips. Coming across, back on the fingertips. So this time we're going to come across, then we're going to go down so that the palm sits inside the hip. Back on the fingertips. Down. Back on the fingertips. Good. So that's now following the descending colon. Down. Back on the fingertips. Then we're going to move across to the palm over the navel. We're going navel to the end of the sternum. The solar plexus point at the end of the sternum. So palm up, back on the fingertips. And then move both hands and fingertips to the solar plexus. Tiny little circles clockwise for relaxing. If you wanted it stimulating, it would be anti-clockwise for the solar plexus. Then we're going to do vibrations. So we want to reinforce static hands below the ribs. Get your posture square. Close your eyes. Think nice thoughts of the person you're massaging. And vibrate down towards the floor. So fast, static vibrations towards the floor. And then come out in a large effleurage. Next time you go far side, you're going to roll up underneath the far side, getting your hands as far underneath as you can, and then in a nice continuous swing across, we're going to swing across near side, palms up, get as far underneath as good as we can. And finish with a nice reinforced effleurage following the contours of the stomach. And the next time round, as you come to near hip, you're going to flick it away. Untuck the pants, pull down the top towel. I'm going to do near side arm. So I'm going to bring the arm up and over.